Hey guys, I'm going to Nature Hike. It's got a haircut. As you can see, Nature Walk. My ass. I'm a vlogger, dude. I'm a vlogger, dude. I'm a vlogger, dude. It's a baseball game right there. What are you guys playing? Baseball? Good for you guys. Retards. It's actually good for them. There's a dog over there. If you can see. I'm a vlogger, dude. Oh, it's twirly things. There's a dog lady over there. I'm a vlogger, dude.
What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just a vlogger, dude. I'm a vlogger, dude. I'm a vlogger, dude. Little cooking area, girl. People eating there. I'm a vlogger, dude. I do not know what the heck that is. People eating. What the shit is this? What the douche? What the deuce? What the deuce?
Why are you videoing?
Huh?
Why are you videoing?
I don't know, it's like, I am a YouTuber. Not pretending I am! I know you are. I don't want to go in that place though. What is that? Pan? Hi, Ducky! Hi! What are you? Hey, Ducky! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Wow. You slow down then. Is that your brother? Yeah.
I'm a vlogger, dude. I'm a vlogger, dude. You bike ride?
Yeah.
Okay. The nature of the area. Ah! It's crazy in there! What'd you say?
Yeah.
You have Mommy's phone?
Run.
It's Dad. Dad. I'm a vlogger, dude. It's his friend. Gosh, you're going. I'm a vlogger, dude. Ah, run me over. BMX stunts. Gosh, give me this back. I'm a vlogger, dude. I'm a vlogger, dude. I'm a really big Jake Paul fan. Really big Jake Paul fan. Wish I was got to meet him with Jake Paul. Well, just a big fan, but mostly Jake and Jordan. Kong! Yes. I know like lots of their names. And Jake Paul. Jake Paul, obviously. Just the bricks. Whatever, I'm gonna run. Run! Where these fools at? I'm a vlogger, dude! I'm a vlogger, dude! I'm a vlogger, dude!
Your friend? Yours or Gagga's?
I'm gonna push you!
No!
I'm vlogging it.
Damn it. Jolly.
Try dining food.
I'll just like. Gotta run! Sweating! What am I here for? Took a pic. in the suspicious wild. Oh! Oh, this is dead. We are here in the weird pond. There are people. Okay, gotta go back. Gotta go. Get the door. Where do we go? Where do we go? This way? Okay. Where do we go? Okay, we go this way. This way. If you were a dude, I'd tell it, Joe. No, I'm not being sarcastic. Go. Let's go for a run. I wanna be free like a jungle. I wanna be free like a jungle. Free like a jungle. What's up? Oh, mommy, guys. Where are mommy, guys? Okay, so we can stay cool. We are in a suspicious wild field of weird animals, many different creatures in this area. Many different creatures in this area. Let me just walk, crouch walk, crouch walk, crouch walk. Suspicious. It's beautiful. What is that over there? Log? Yeah, it's a log, okay. Now we can go. Gill soup. Gill soup. Gill soup. What is this?
Come on.
You guys can pause if you want to read this. Pause on that. Pause right on this thing. Pause. And then you guys can read this if you want. You don't have to. Let's go. I'm a vlogger, dude! I'm a vlogger, dude! I'm a vlogger, dude! I'm a vlogger, dude! I'm a vlogger. What? Oh, look.
What? A guy?
What are you? Obviously the ducks. Swim faster! Swim! Swim! I think I have low battery. Yeah, like 50%. Gosh! Bye, ducks! They're swimming like crazy. Like, oh no, hell. Skip rock. Gosh, you're crazy ass! So if you guys know Roblox and you want to know the Rolex code, boop, 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 boop. Copy that. Probably might edit that out because I don't want you guys seeing that. But as a black dude, my nature block. Tree. Okay, that's a tree. Okay, that's a tree. It's a tree. Okay. Oh, that's a little area. Is there any ducks here? I'm just curious to know. I'm just a little curious to know. A little curious. A little curious. I'm just a little curious to know what's in that pond. Are there any ducks? I'm a vlogger, dude. So, if you guys want to see, this is my first vlog video. So if you want to see more, like and subscribe. This is my first vlog ever. First. I don't know. So. Piece of low. Piece of gangsters. Wait. I messed it up.